Maybe you've been playing around with meme coins. Maybe you're already sick of throwing cash at projects that go nowhere. Or maybe you're like me and actually want to see some returns from this meme coin game. If that sounds familiar, you're in the perfect spot because in this video, I'm walking you through exactly how to launch your own meme coins and hopefully turn a solid profit doing it. The secret to this strategy is to stop chasing meme coins and start creating your own. Most folks immediately think of pump fun when memecoin creation comes up, but that's where the problem starts. Pump fun is just too packed with people trying the same thing, making it nearly impossible to stand out. What I'm going to show you instead is how to launch coins on Raydium. This network's a much better fit for us. It's got stronger projects, better stats across the board, and a lot less competition than Pump Fun. Just check out the difference. While Pump Fun spits out hundreds of tokens every minute, Raydium usually sees just a couple launches in that same time. Alright, so how do we actually launch coins on Raydium? A few clicks, a couple minutes, and you're good to go. Sounds great, right? Let's dive into the process. The first step is coming up with a logo that's either funny or grabs attention. This is super important because it's what gets people interested in your coin in the first place. A solid tip here is to lean into whatever's trending or meme-worthy. Just scroll through social media to see what's hot right now. For this video, I'm going with the iconic Sanic. It's weird, but funny, and I think it'll do the trick. Just remember to export your logo at 128 by 128 pixels, and you're set. Alright, now that our logo is done, it's time for step 2. This is where the actual creation begins. All you need to do is click here to connect your wallet. And when the prompt pops up, just approve the permission. It's super quick. Basic details. Fill in the name, symbol, and the logo you just created. For mine, I'm going with Sanicoin as the name and Sanic as the symbol. Tokenomics. Everything here is already set up the right way, so you don't need to tweak anything. Add a short description. I'll drop something goofy like, the legend Sanic has its own meme coin. And then just hit next. Social links. This one's actually useless. I already skipped them. For this video, I'm skipping them too to keep things simple. Security settings. Pay close attention here. These are called Revoke authorities. Revoke Freeze. Prevents your token from getting stuck in limbo. Revoke Mint. Makes sure no one can endlessly create more coins. Revoke Update. Locks the contract so it can't be changed later. Your safest move, leave all three enabled and hit Launch My Token. After a few seconds, confirm the transaction in your wallet. Boom, your coin is now live on the Solana network. You can track it using SolScan to see that it is active, listing the supply, signature, and all other launch info. After you checked SolScan and verify all info, that means you're ready for the last step. Our last step is adding liquidity, which makes the coin tradable on Raydium. Click Create Liquidity Pool to head over to Manage Liquidity tab. Check if your wallet connected at the top and then select your token from the top field. Now, we need to set up token amount A. Toss 900 million out of the 1 billion supply into the pool. Just press 90% button and head over to Amount Token B field. Amount Token B, it's a Solana that we're going to put in our token. This funds is safe, so I always press max because you can withdraw everything you put in liquidity anytime you want and can't lose this funds. Now finalize. Click Create Pool and confirm. Your coin is officially ready to trade and listed on Photon. Now when token tradable, we need to monitor it, so let's press View on Raydium button and it will redirect us to our token chart. You'll see your own chart with all the info you need. Keep a sharp eye on the liquidity. That's the key to your coin taking off. And don't stress about those bot snipers. They're always lurking and kind of annoying, but totally normal. While you're waiting, head over to the Portfolio tab on Raydium. This is where you can see all your positions, balances, and eventually send your profits straight to your wallet. Just make sure you're on the standard view, and your position should show up down here within 10 to 15 minutes. Don't worry if it takes a bit to appear. That's totally normal. Now, I'll show you a time-lapse of how this launch performed. There's not a ton to explain here, but I still want to give you some key tips to keep in mind for your own launches. First off, expect a wave of bot activity early on. It's normal, and there's really no way around it. So, don't worry about those transactions. What really matters is the volume your coin picks up. When people start buying, you'll notice your market cap, liquidity, and all the main stats rising. Liquidity is the one you want to focus on. That's where your profit lives. Just keep checking your Raydium portfolio until your position shows up and pull out when the profit looks right to you. Let me walk you through how to do that. Look for your LP position right here. Hit the minus button, move the slider all the way to 100%, and don't get distracted by the numbers at the top. What really matters is the Solana amount you see below. That's what you'll actually receive. If you're happy with what you see, just click Remove Liquidity and confirm the transaction. Just a quick reminder, this video is purely educational. I'm not a financial advisor, so make sure to do your own research before making any moves. Once you see that notification pop up, it means your balance is now updated. Open up your wallet and check it out. I just made some nice profits in a matter of minutes. Sure, it's not life-changing money, but as a little side hustle, not bad at all. Doing this a few times a day could definitely add up. Alright, here comes the important disclaimer. This video is purely for educational purposes. I'm not partnered with Photon, SplixFun, DexScreener, or any of the platforms mentioned. This is just an example to help you understand how launching coins works. That said, it's a pretty solid opportunity right now, and who knows how long it'll be around, so feel free to jump in if it feels right to you.